Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Ford F250 garage door opener. First, let's clear any old codes. Find the 3 home link buttons on your truck's overhead console. Press and hold the 2 outer buttons simultaneously for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will flash slowly at first, then rapidly, letting you know the memory is successfully cleared. Now, let's program your new remote. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Choose one of the 3 home link buttons you want to program. Press and hold both your chosen home link button and your garage door remote's button at the same time. The indicator light will flash slowly, then rapidly, confirming the code is learned. Next, we need to sync with your garage door opener. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press this button firmly. You'll typically have about 30 seconds to complete the next step. Quickly return to your F250 and firmly press the home link button you just programmed 3 times. Finally, it's time to test your new programming. Press the home link button you just set to ensure your garage door opens and closes correctly. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Simply repeat all the programming steps from the beginning. Sometimes, a second attempt ensures a solid connection. Consult your opener's manual for specific details if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.